Good morning. What did you make this morning? Wow, looks like a wonderful fruit salad. Yep.
I've been walking through the haze, every street is telling.
Okay, introducing video number 4. It's all about blueberries and a big bowl of blueberries. There's other kinds of fruit in it. And Junie, what are the nutritional values of that?
Well, this combination of fruits, sprouts, and creamy goat cheese offers high fiber, nutrient-dense, profile-rich, and in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins.
Oh. When you see it, it's in the recipe book too. But it's just in this video, you'll show exactly how to put it together. Ciao.
Morning. What did you make this morning? Wow, looks like a wonderful fruit salad. Yep.
I've been walking through the haze, every street is telling me your name. Still the night won't let me go, chasing off the echoes all the same. Will I run from what I feel? Every step just turns the wheel. In the dark your voice remains, pulling me through all that change.
And in the fruit salad, you've got wonderful fruits, oranges and pears, blueberries, my favorite. You have to have blueberries every day. Beautiful, perfect for your health. And bananas, and I said pears and avocados, of course. And mixed with that is sprouts, as well as microgreens. So you've got your greens in there. And the dressing is lemon, lime, a little olive oil, and some balsamic vinegar. So, wow, it's going to be really good. Let me try. A pear.
It's about as fresh as you can get it in Manitoba.
These are all mostly imported from the south.
Yes, so far.
But still,
Yeah.
I mean, still pretty fresh.
Yes, it is.
As fresh as you can get it here.
Yes, absolutely. But isn't this a nice taste though, right?
It's lovely. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I wanted to get the blueberries in because
Yeah.
well, a variety, of course, is always very good for you, but the importance of the antioxidants in the blueberries is special because they're such a dark color. It's really important to get that for longevity into your diet.
Into the system.
I'm going to try to get blueberries or some kind of berry every day.
I noticed there were also blackberries that were there.
Yeah, you can do blackberries, you can do raspberries, strawberries.
Yeah.
Blueberries, I think, are the top.
Yes.
And plus all the other fruit in, not every day, but every other day type of thing.
I'm looking so forward to doing this, to eating this.
You had so much fun making this morning, didn't you?
Yeah, while you were doing yoga.
I was doing yoga and laundry.
Oh, yes. That's right, you were. And we have a little bit of goat's cheese and a little bit of bread if you want.
Yeah.
And that should be... Now I'm going to dish myself up. And we will say...
Adieu.
Ciao.
Ciao. Cheers.
And no wine this morning. What's going on here?
No.
We've been trying to cut down on wine, but not completely. Just,
Right.
But not every breakfast.
At least not every day and every meal.
Yeah.
Good
Ciao.
luck.
Yeah, ciao.
Ciao.
Dish number 2. Blueberries and melons. Ciao. Well, happy hour. Cherry Hill. 5 o'clock. I'm out here by myself, but Joan's finishing something up inside. And cheers. Having a great martini. This happens to be a gin martini with Sicilian green olives. Ho, 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 ho. That's going to be so good. Signing off. Wine is always good, but sometimes a martini is better. Cheers.
Call your friends, I'll call my friends. Hurry up so we can begin. Grilling, chilling, vibing at the barbecue.
Wow, there's a lot of people at this barbecue.
Yeah, good thing I got a lot of food. The ribs and chicken are finger licking. The mac and cheese will bring you to your knees. We're making memories at the barbecue.
Great martinis.
Gin martinis with Sicilian olives.
Yes.
We got baked beans, coleslaw, pulled pork, hey y'all, hot dogs, queso, corn on the cob, bratwurst, green beans, veggies, chicken wings, steak, salmon, the barbecue.
Beaches are all cleared up.
Yeah, people are swimming, but I haven't gone into the water yet. So.
You haven't yet?
No, and it's July 1st. That's the day I always go in. But it's just not
It's all over with the crying right now. We will. It's going to heat up. Well, Joni, first martini on our extended dock.
Yeah, it's
Made it twice as long.
Yeah, it's cool.
Quite nice.
Yeah.
How's the martini?
Martini's excellent. It's a
Yeah?
nice Tanqueray gin.
Yeah.
Very dry martini
With-
with olives.
What kind of olives?
Sicilian olives.
Sicilian greens.
Yeah, green olives.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sicilian green olives.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous Friday evening.
It's going into the long weekend.
Long August weekend.
Yeah.
Last weekend in July. First weekend in August. Gorgeous.
Oh, it's
Out on
gorgeous.
the lake here.
And it's chow time. Chow!
Ciao.
A Friday afternoon. Ran out of gin and vodka. Now we're having lime, ice, and tequila. With some great little hors d'oeuvres, veggie hors d'oeuvres, and some little bit of cheese. What do you think, John? Enjoying that?
Nice.
What a nice day, though, eh?
Mm,
Look at that.
perfect evening.
Yeah.
Perfect happy hour out on the dock.
Yeah. Good martini. Wow. Yesterday we dropped into Thomas Hines. First time in probably 20 years.
Thomas Hines, the tobacconist.
Yes, in Winnipeg. Right across the street from
Convention Center.
where we had the
Van Gogh.
Van Gogh thing. And
The
I picked
virtual Van Gogh.
and I picked up 2 cigars. And I'm gonna have one tonight because we got the big do tonight. And we listen to the music.
Quentin Blair.
Quentin Black. Ciao. You gotta stay tuned for video number 5. You'll enjoy it. What is it, Joan?
Smoked Winnipeg Goldeye.
Oh, you'll love it.